Hong Kong's Department of Justice says the injunction application to ban the promotion of a protest song is not targeted at the whole world, but only those who are conducting or who intend to conduct any of the 4 unlawful acts relating to the song. This after the High Court sought to clarify who the intended defendants are. On the first day of the hearing, CNA's Deborah Wong reports.
Since the Justice Department announced it would file for a court injunction, the song Glory to Hong Kong has topped local iTunes charts. Protesters in the 2019 unrest widely consider it the city's unofficial national anthem. It stole the spotlight once again recently after it was wrongly played at international sporting events instead of the Chinese national anthem. Now, Google's refusal to alter such results as requested by Hong Kong authorities have sparked an ongoing row, one that could now change the course of things for tech companies in the city.
If these tech companies have their branches and employees inside Hong Kong, then they have to consider whether non-compliance will cause a criminal liability of judicial contempt. We have to remember that Google has no business in mainland China for decades because of these commitments to safeguarding a free internet environment. And this challenge in Hong Kong is certainly a big challenge to companies like Google, whether they could uphold their commitment as well as complying with the local court. And that will be another controversy.
This injunction seeks to restrain those who are or intending to broadcast, perform, circulate and reproduce the song online. It includes those who intend to insult the Chinese national anthem or suggest that Hong Kong is an independent state.
It's obvious that even if the civil injunction is granted, it is not realistically enforceable overseas, but it will only create a chilling effect to individuals who are outside Hong Kong but remaining their ties or assets inside Hong Kong. They could be targeted by national security police instead.
Now, this follows a trend of interventions by authorities to clamp down on cases related to national security. For instance, despite the court's admission of British barrister Timothy Owen to represent jailed media mogul Jimmy Lai in his national security case, Chief Executive John Lee requested Beijing to issue an interpretation of the law. Immigration has now denied further visa applications to Mr. Owen for this case. Professor Stuart Hargreaves of the Chinese University of Hong Kong told me that this trend could reflect how the government doesn't feel it has satisfied obligations as laid out by the central authorities regarding national security just yet. Hong Kong authorities have had to fend off claims from US and UK that it has significant human rights issues, and most recently, a bipartisan group of US lawmakers sought to bar the US-sanctioned Chief Executive John Lee from attending APEC. It's a move that was slammed by Hong Kong and Chinese authorities as a violation of international norms and a gross interference of internal affairs. The next hearing will be on July 21st. Deborah Wong, CNA, Hong Kong.